Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the game space functionality in the Realme X2 Pro after the recent update which I have received in this phone. So with the recent update, there are a few things which got highlighted, which is the 4D vibration feedback, and another is the photorealistic enhancement. So in this video I'll be talking about the 4D feedback and the photorealistic enhancement. So let's see what are the options that they are working while playing the PUBG game in the Realme X2 Pro. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Don't forget to check the wallpapers if you want to download this kind of cool looking wallpapers in all of your smartphones. So definitely subscribe to my channel and do check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. You can find very good interesting wallpapers, and don't forget to check the 250 days of review on the Realme X2 Pro as well, in case if you're looking to buy this mobile phone at the moment. And if you're already a owner of the Realme X2 Pro, so let's see, this video will give you a clear update regarding the game space, what are the features we do have in the Realme X2 Pro. So as you can see friends, so overall interface is look like the same like before, so there is nothing change in terms of the interface at all. So one thing you can see the change is when you scroll upside, you can see all this kind of options here. So before also there used to be options, but right now you do have this kind of option of game 4D vibration feedback. So I did try to use this kind of feature in Call of Duty, PUBG and Asphalt 9. Few of the games I tried, the famous games, but none of them are actually supported with this kind of game 4D vibration feedback and photorealistic enhancement. So these are another drawback friends. From the time to till now I am trying so many games, but still I was unable to use this kind of 4D vibration feedback. But one thing was confirmed is that the vibration motor in the Realme X2 Pro is very good and very strong. So I can definitely feel the difference when I'm typing in this phone. Like I do get a premium kind of experience. So this can be a small thing, but which will impact a lot. So maybe that vibration motor is so much capable of producing this kind of 4D feedback as well while playing the games. So next is a photorealistic enhancement. So if you want to know what is the photorealistic enhancement, which is already present in the Redmi K20 Pro's game booster. So let me try to compare side by side so you can understand exactly how the photorealistic enhancement actually works and how it is useful in terms of while playing the games as well. So in the Redmi K20 Pro, you do have this kind of advanced app option. So where if you explore and go into down, you can see enhanced visuals. So these with the normal colors. If you use this option to the extreme, you can see the brightness and everything is increased. The shadow areas, so where the enemies are located, you can easily spot the enemies if you increase this extreme colors. So that is the main purpose of using this kind of enhanced visuals. But unfortunately in the Realme X2 Pro at the moment, the PUBG game and other games are not supported with this kind of feature. And here you do have the option of switching the layout as well, and when you click the settings you do get this kind of options here. So let me try to open the PUBG game right now and show you the real-time FPS count and all the interface how it looks. So the interface, everything is quite same like before, so there is nothing change at all. So right now you can see here friends, I am playing the PUBG game, and you do have this option of 4D vibration, but the game is not supported at the moment, you can see here. And even the game color place is also not supported in the PUBG game, and few of the other games I did try to use that kind of functionality, but still I was unable to use. Even the voice changer is also not supported. So these three options till now I never used. So do comment below if you know any other games which are actually supported with the 4D vibration. So I'll definitely try those games in my Realme X2 Pro, and I'll try to make the review on that, so everyone gets to know what actually supported in the Realme X2 Pro mobile phone. But overall in terms of the design, everything looks same like before, so there is nothing much difference in terms of the game space in the Realme X2 Pro smartphone. So thank you friends for watching this video till now, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for wallpapers and other reviews what I have done in my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.